Hello guys, welcome! Welcome to our first tutorial together. Today we're going to work more on feelings and emotions. Remember, these words are making a description. We call them adjectives. My first question for you today is, how are you feeling today? I'm very well, thanks. Yeah, but let's be more precise, more concise. We can use a lot of words to describe how are we feeling today. Are you inspired? Are you feeling creative? Okay, let's learn more. Please take out your notebook, your English notebook, and write the title Worksheet 19, Feelings. Do it. Go ahead. And then write numbers 1 to 8. Leave space because we're going to write something. Okay, I'll give you 2 seconds. Okay, now what we're going to do is I am going to show you a video. Okay, and we're going to see some feelings or emotions, and you have to guess what is that feeling, what is that word that we're looking at. So let's take a look at an example. Look at this girl. Okay, how do you think this girl is feeling? What is the feeling? What is that word that describes her? Yes, it can be excited. She's happy. Let's see the answer. Yes, she's happy. Now we have to create one sentence using the word happy. Your sentence can be of the picture we have here. Let's look at my example. It says, the girl is happy because it's her birthday. It's just an example. Please underline, mark, highlight, or draw a square or a circle in the word, in the feeling. Okay, now it's your turn. We're going to work on 8 more. Let's go. Let's go now with number 1. How is he feeling? What is that word? Surprised? Okay, let's see the answer. Scared. Okay, now go to your notebook and write number 1, a sentence using the word scared. Do it now. Okay, let's go with number 2. Okay, look at him. What word describes him? Okay, ready to see the answer? If you thought of frustrated, it's okay. Sad, yes, he's also sad, and we know he's crying. Go ahead and write your sentence number 2. You have 2 seconds. Okay, let's continue. Number 3. Look at her. What is that feeling? Ready? Let's see the answer. Huh. Be creative with your sentence. We're working together. We have 2 seconds. That was tired. Let's go for the next one. Hey, look at her. Number 4. What do you think is that feeling? Ready? Let's see the answer. Hungry. Go ahead, write your sentence with the word hungry. Underline it. Okay, number 5. Look at him. Look at his expression. What is that feeling? Look at these. What can it be? Ready to see the answer? Thirst. Come on, write your sentence. Thirsty. When do you feel thirsty? Next one. Look at this guy and look at this. Okay, what is the word? Can you guess? Many options, right? Let's see the answer. Okay, yes, surprised. Write your sentence with surprise. Don't forget to underline the word surprise in your sentence. Next one. Look at that. What is that feeling? Not sure? Let's see the answer. Oh, bored. When do you feel bored? Write down your sentence. Come on. Last one. Okay, let's see the detail on this picture. Look at these, look at his expression. Think about it. What is that feeling? Let's see the answer. Ooh, he's lonely. Okay, write down your sentence. Now, okay, I'll give you a few more seconds to finish. Now, what we're going to do is send me a picture on Classroom about your sentences. Okay, upload it to Classroom to this assignment, worksheet 19. And that will be all for today, guys. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.